Namaste. I'm Dr. Murali Manohar Chirumamilla. This video is all about an important health topic. So please stay tuned until the end.
Health benefits of turmeric. Interesting facts. A country like India, which otherwise presents vast cultural diversities, has many similarities in certain rituals amongst different castes. Application of the paste of turmeric on the entire body of both the bride as well as bridegroom one day before marriage is one of them. The main idea behind this ritual lies in the quality of turmeric to improve complexion. Turmeric has various names in Sanskrit according to its medical qualities, such as Haridra improves complexion, Kaanchanee makes the skin fairer, Nisha as beautiful as the starry night. There are three main types of turmeric, in other words, the one which is used in a regular kitchen, wild turmeric and mango ginger. All three types consist of similar properties. Here we shall discuss the type of turmeric which is used in the kitchen and worshipping God in India. Plant profile. It is an annual herb, the tuberous root of which is used as turmeric. It is grown in plenty all over India. Qualities and action. Turmeric is used for external applications as well as internal medicine. Turmeric is used in the form of paste for local application to reduce swelling, decrease pain and enhance the healing of a wound. Medical uses. Urticaria. It is also used in the form of a paste, either alone or along with powder of margosa leaves and sweet flag root in cases of skin allergies and urticaria. It should be applied 3-4 times a day for better results. Acne and pimples. For pimples and acne on the face, one should apply the paste of turmeric and lime juice or turmeric and sandalwood paste. Hair loss and dandruff. For dandruff and excessive hair fall, a paste of turmeric, the fruit of soap nut tree and shekakai should be applied to the scalp and hair. Multiple health issues. Paste of turmeric is useful in different disorders. Paste in water for guinea worm infection, in ghee for painful feet and in castor oil for cracked heels. Sleepiness and drowsiness. In case of excessive sleep, or whenever keeping awake at night is desired, 1 teaspoonful of turmeric, a quarter of the teaspoonful of black pepper powder and a quarter of the teaspoonful of cinnamon powder should be taken in lime juice and orange juice. Hiccups. Inhalation of the medicinal smoke of turmeric is beneficial in severe hiccups. Sagging skin and skin disorders. A mixture of turmeric, powder of grams, and camphor, if used in place of soap, cleanses and tightens the skin and also imparts beauty. It is also useful as a medicinal paste for various skin disorders such as eczema, ringworm infection, and scorpion bite to reduce itching and pain. Wounds and injuries. It is used as the best first aid and antiseptic in cases of wounds due to any injury. The application of dry turmeric powder instantly helps in stopping bleeding from wounds. Bleeding. In case of injury with subcutaneous bleeding, turmeric powder should be given internally along with jaggery in the dose of 1 gram. This acts as a painkiller as well as dissolves the clotted blood. Anemia. Turmeric is also used in anemia, blood disorders, and hemorrhagic disorders since it acts as a blood purifier. Weakness after delivery. It is given internally along with jaggery after delivery to strengthen the uterus and improve lactation. Obesity. In obesity, turmeric powder should be taken in the dose of 2 grams along with 2 grams of ginger powder and 1 teaspoonful of honey in warm water once daily. Cough and cold. For chronic cough and cold, it should be taken along with jaggery. It acts as an antitussive.
Feeling great for your interest. I am signing off for now. In the next video, I will meet you with another topic. For more interesting videos like this, please subscribe this channel and click the bell button. Shatam Jiva, Sharado Vardhamanaha. Shatam Hemantan, Shatam Vasantan. Stay healthy, stay happy, stay safe, be positive and keep smiling. Love you all. Subham.
Dr. Chirumamilla Murali Manohar, MD, Ayurveda. Raksha Ayurvedalaya, plot number 13, Ramamurthy Nagar, CBCID colony. Hydernagar, Hyderabad, 5,85,000. Telangana State, India. Landmark, Kukatpally area, Metro Train pillar number A663. Email, muralimanohar2008@gmail.com. Website address, www.muralimanohar.com. Phone numbers, 9246575510, 9177445454.